Hi, welcome to Blaze Design. If you're a beginner interested in studying architecture, you're about to start an exciting journey that combines creativity, technical skills, and a deep understanding of how people interact with spaces. Whether you're just beginning to explore architecture or preparing to dive into formal studies, this guide will help you take those first steps toward becoming an architect. Now, let's dive into the steps you can take to start your journey toward becoming an architect. 1. Understand what architecture is. Architecture is more than just designing buildings. It's about creating functional, aesthetic, and sustainable spaces that improve the quality of life. Architects consider various factors like materials, environment, culture, and technology when designing structures. 2. Develop your interest. Before diving into formal studies, immerse yourself in the world of architecture. Visit buildings, explore local architecture, visit museums, and observe different styles and functions of buildings. Read books. Start with beginner-friendly architecture books like Architecture, Form, Space, and Order by Francis D.K. Ching, 101 Things I Learned in Architecture School by Matthew Frederick Watch. Documentaries. Learn about famous architects and their works through documentaries and videos. Explore online resources. Arch Daily Design 3. Learn the basics of drawing and design. Architects need strong drawing and design skills. Start practicing now. Sketching. Practice freehand sketching to develop your ability to visualize and communicate ideas. Basic design software. Familiarize yourself with basic design software like AutoCAD, SketchUp, or Revit. These tools are commonly used in the field. Model making. Learn to create physical models using simple materials like cardboard, foam, or wood. This will help you understand spatial relationships. 4. Get a formal education. To become an architect, formal education is essential. Bachelor's degree. Enroll in a Bachelor of Architecture, BARCH, or similar program. This typically takes 5 years and covers design, history, theory, and technical aspects of architecture. Accreditation. Ensure the program is accredited by a recognized body, such as the National Architectural Accrediting Board, NAB, in the U.S. Courses to Expect, design studios, where you'll work on hands-on design projects, history of architecture, understanding the evolution of architectural styles and theories, building technology, learning about construction methods, materials, and structures. Environmental systems, understanding sustainability and the impact of buildings on the environment. 5. Develop a portfolio. Your portfolio is crucial for your career in architecture. Document your work. Include sketches, models, and any design projects you complete during your studies. Showcase creativity and problem solving. Highlight your ability to think creatively and solve design challenges. Keep updating. Continuously add your best work as you progress through your studies. 6. Gain experience. Practical experience is key. Internships. During or after your studies, pursue internships at architectural firms to gain hands-on experience. Networking. Join architecture clubs, attend workshops, and participate in design competitions to meet professionals and fellow students. 7. Licensing and certification. To practice as an architect, you'll need to be licensed. Complete IDP, the Intern Development Program, IDP, or Architectural Experience Program, AXP, is required in many countries. This involves gaining professional experience under a licensed architect. Pass the ARE. The Architect Registration Examination, ARE, is a series of exams testing your knowledge and skills. Continuing education. Architecture is a field that constantly evolves, so continuous learning and professional development are crucial. 8. Stay inspired and keep learning. Architecture is a lifelong learning process. Stay inspired by traveling, experience different architectural styles and cultures. Reading, stay updated on current trends, materials, and technologies in architecture. Learning new software. As the industry evolves, new tools and software are developed. Keep your skills up to date. 9. Consider specializing. As you advance in your studies and career, you may want to specialize in areas such as urban design. Focus on the design of cities and public spaces. Sustainable architecture. Specialize in eco-friendly and sustainable building practices. Interior architecture. Focus on the design of interior spaces. Landscape architecture. Design outdoor spaces like parks, gardens, and campuses. 10. Build a career. After completing your education and obtaining your license, you can work in an architectural firm, start as a junior architect and work your way up. Freelance, work independently on smaller projects or collaborate with larger firms. Teaching, share your knowledge by teaching architecture at a university. Further studies, consider pursuing a master's degree or a PhD in architecture to specialize further or transition into academia. Final thoughts. Starting a journey in architecture requires a mix of creativity, technical skills, and dedication. By building a strong foundation through formal education, practical experience, and continuous learning, you can develop into a successful architect. Remember, architecture is not just about designing buildings, but about shaping the spaces that define our lives. Good luck on your journey.